Vipassana means seeing things as they truly are, not through judgment, not through emotion, but through pure awareness. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Begin by noticing the simple act of breathing, the air entering the nose, cool, fresh, effortless. The air leaving, warm, relaxed, natural. Do not control the breath. Simply watch it flow on its own. Now bring your attention to the sensations in your body. Feel the contact between your body and the floor or chair. Notice areas of pressure, warmth, vibration, stillness. If a sensation feels pleasant, just notice it. If it feels unpleasant, just notice it too. No reaction, no pushing away. Every feeling arises, changes, and fades. Thoughts may appear, small stories trying to pull you in. Watch them as if from a distance. A thought arises, stays for a moment, dissolves. Return to the breath. Return to the body. This is the essence of the Vipassana. Observation without attachment. As you stay still, begin to feel tiny sensations across the skin, subtle tingles, light movements, waves of energy. Don't chase them, just observe. Watch how everything in the body and mind is in motion. Nothing stays the same. Even this moment, already changing. Feel the breath again. Calm, steady, effortless. You are not the sensations. You are not the thoughts. You are the one aware of them, the witness, silent, unshaken, awake. Rest in that awareness now. Let it fill your entire field of experience. Breathing, observing, simply being. Slowly bring your awareness back to the body. Feel the weight of your hands, the surface beneath you, the quiet rhythm of your breath. Take one more deep inhale and a slow, complete exhale. As you open your eyes, remember, Vipassana isn't about changing what you see. It's about seeing everything clearly.